our 2 bait sources today. In there we got some nice, good sized minnows. And we got a bunch of them scary guys in there. I know you guys have been seeing these fly around your yard. So I'm about to hook one of these on a bobber. See what kind of panfish and whatnot I can catch. Wow, I got this pole set out with a minnow on it. So get it, guys, I'm about to hook in with some of these bugs. Hopefully catch a couple fish. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. All right, let's crank some back for this rain comes, man. Yeep. The rain's already on its way, I feel it. I'm already getting hit by a couple drops. So before we lose time, I'm gonna hurry up and try to get these poles casted out. All right, there's the first one of the day. Pretty little light colored bronze smallie. That didn't take long at all. That's a good fish. That's a good fish, Jeff. Oh, I see what that is. Now we're going to go up that thing. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, check out that beauty. And they fight like no other, guys. After 30 seconds, switch over to the minnow. There's not like bugs, man. That was insane. That was on the top. That was insane. These white bass are precious. Fish number 3, a little baby white bass. Ain't nothing to show or talk about, but still 3 in the pan. And I'm just using a little bitty crappie minnow. Man, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's very dark back that way. It's already raining a little bit. I just want to get a couple more fish and get out of here. I'm getting bit right there in that foam. I mean, it's as soon as it gets out there. Man, them whiteys is crushed. They're kind of hitting on top of the water as soon as I get it out there. Awesome. Here we go, fish number 4. Another white bass. Raining. It's starting to come down pretty good. Oh, look at that thing. I broke off. Okay, I know you guys hear me talk about the barometric pressure a lot, but fish love it when that pressure is dropping. Now anywhere in the blue area to the left there is great fishing, but if you get right up in there to the 30s, anywhere in the green from the 30s, you might as well stay at home. I've been going by this for a couple years now and paying attention to it, and it's a real thing, man. That's why when I cast it out earlier, the longest I had a minnow in the water was 5 seconds. And as you can see now, I'm sitting on my front porch. As soon as this rain lets up, I'm gonna get back out there And I hope this baby stays where it's at. Alright, regardless, I'm gonna see y'all when the rain stops, man. Here we go. The rain quit. I had to change my shirt. Look at that guy. And we're out of here, man. Back on the road. Got some more minnows right here. I don't want to burn my battery. Let's get it, baby. There's a lot of poison oak down here. That's what that is. Poison oak. Always want to try to step around it. Man, it's tough getting down here, but it's worth it. There's glass all over. Oh, baby. Whew, that was insane. Here we go. About to give it a send, baby. Oh, it's colder than it was. Let's cross this baby. Alright, here we go. Drop shot hook. Water's up higher than it was earlier. Quite a bit. Let's see if they're still in here. Ooh, they missed it. They're missing it. That was awesome. You can hear how he's hooked. Kind of that drop shot hook's got him right where it's supposed to. And that baby, oh, he wasn't coming off there, but check him out. These are some of the funnest fish to catch, man. I seen 3 or 4 bass miss this before he got it going down the riffles. Oh! This is great. Go another one. Indiana flip. Alright, I'm about to film a YouTube video while making a YouTube video. Check this out, y'all. Sir. You guys seen it? These guys are crushing to death. Whew. That's a smallie. I'll say he fought a little different. That's that little smallie that missed it 3 or 4 times.
Oh, nice. Took me right to the riffles too. Man, these guys are strong. Oh, wow. It's the best one today. It's the best one all year. He's barely hooked. Yeah. That's the one I wanted to catch right there. I got a smallie. Yeah. I could tell how it was fighting. A little bitty small jaw. As soon as it hit the foam over there. Well, I just found a game changer. Y'all want to see something crazy? Check this out, man. Oh man, the hooks are in rough shape. Let's see if we can catch some fish on a bait that I just found on the creek bank. I'm gonna tie it up. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Man, look how rough this thing looks. What we got? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, this gonna work. This baby gonna work for show. For show, for show. Here we go. Almost wake, top water action. Bring it through these riffles. Oh, it's kill zone right there. Oh! Yeah! I just caught this white bass on the rooster tail I found on the bank. It's like the second or third cast. Little bitty guy. See you, Wimpy. Hooked up. I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this one right in. This one's like a damn shad. Oh, there she goes. Now these hooks ain't very good at all. Oh man, that was awesome. Man, he popped off. Man, they're too feisty. Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, like. So I'll catch y'all next time, man. Whoop.